over 22 days now since the Air India flight 171 went down. 260 lives were lost. Tragedy that really shook the nation and the world. Grief is turning into outrage for many families of the Air India crash victims. More than 40 families of the victims now saying that they are being pressurized by Air India. They're not just grieving at this point, they're facing immense pressure by Air India, who's asking them allegedly to sign off multiple forms, forcing them to declare financial dependence on the deceased, basically to prove if they're eligible for compensation or not. Now, the families claim, some of the aggrieved families, that this is insulting, downright insulting and painful. Now, that's particularly according to a UK-based law firm, Stewarts, who've come up with this argument, who's representing some of these families. They say that Air India's demands are legally loaded and coercive. And that's, of course, not the only firm. Indian firms as well, particularly Nanavati and Nanavati, has also teamed up with two major US legal giants, Clifford Law Offices and Crindler and Crindler, to build a case against Air India. Most importantly, case also has Boeing as a party here and a few others. Air India, for its part, has denied these allegations. It says the questionnaire in question was only meant to confirm next of kin status, but not to determine dependency or to show any kind of guilt. They claim that 47 families have already received their interim payment and other 55 are in process. What about accountability, though? Well, it's been nearly a month and clearly no one really knows what really brought the plane down. Investigators are now looking at a possible sabotage angle as well, including fuel tampering and security breach. The Minister of State for Civil Aviation, Muralidhar Mohol, has said sabotage is a serious line of inquiry. They are looking into those concerns as well. Families, of course, now desperately waiting for answers. But while they grieve, they're also being loaded with paperwork. To give us a little more clarity on what's really happening, how to ease the pain of the multiple families while they already are grieving their loved ones. Here they've burdened with paperwork, but airlines refusing such claims.